Hi, we're going to do a burping contest. Yeah, we are, girls.
I love
Right,
pop.
first going to get some pops, Coke. Yeah, but some Coke. 3, 2, 1, and then we're going to take turns to bit. Wait.
Lauren!
We're going to take burps more. Well, let's do a part
Lauren,
first.
I spilled it!
Well, 3, 2, 1.
Lauren!
Right, that was my burp. Let's see Charlotte. Down it, little girl. Down it. No, drink it, come on. Right, she's gonna have to get over the syrup a bit.
Oh, I got one coming, I got one coming. Let me do another. I've still got some left.
Oh, so I haven't really, you know.
Yeah, now you have.
Look, give him my nose.
Lauren!
No. Thanks.
I'll just have some of this.
I have any idea, Mum, you know. Okay, right, you just need to comment and vote for the best burp. You know, best burper. You just comment Lauren for me and Charlotte for Charlotte. And there's your ending one. Might get a flying minute off it. Charlotte!